Hey, what's up, everybody? It's April 23rd, 2019, so that means we are ready for this week's TNT Tuesday. So something came out there on Twitter the other day, and it was Jonathan Predana talking about something called Google Poly. And he said it's a great and fantastic way to go out there and display student work in something like an electronic portfolio. And so, of course, I went in there and started investigating, and it is very, very cool and very, very easy to go out there and get your work into just a very easy format to go out there and view and sort of interact with. So let's take a look at it. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go out there and just find Google Poly. Never heard of it until last week. Kind of cool. Google's always out there doing something pretty cool for us. And this is what it looks like. All right, so what we're going to need is some sort of file to put out there into Google Poly, and I'm just going to jump over into Inventor, and looky there. There's my automata. It's a surfboard, working great. Okay, this is what I'm wanting to show as my object in Google Poly. So what you're going to have to do is go up here, go to File, go to Save Copy As, and then what I'm going to do is I've already started a like an electronic portfolio project folder, and what I'm going to do is save this as an OBJ file. It's an object file. And I'm going to go ahead and just do a save out there into that folder. Okay, and now I'm going to be jumping over into Google Poly, and then I'm going to be looking up here, and there's just a way we can go out there and upload whatever we want. We pick on that icon, and now I can go out there and select the files that I'm wanting to use on this one. So this was my automata. So if I'm taking a look out here, I can see here is my 8.2 automata. Now the thing is, you're going to be getting two files. There's an OBJ, which we described earlier was an object file, but you're also getting this MTL, which is a material file. If you want the colors to come over with it, you have to select on both of these. I go ahead and I do an open. You can see that that's going to go out there and upload. It's going to go out there and just sort of pinwheel for a second. And then here we go. So this is what comes over, and this is what is going to be shown, okay, as your file out there in Google Poly. Kind of cool, right? Now we can go out there and give this a title like, hey, this is Mr. Duzan's surfboard automata. You can go out there and give yourself a description. You can go out there and place this into a category. And then as far as visibility goes, maybe it's something you want to kind of keep under wraps. So you can say you want that to be unlisted, and just anybody with the link would be able to do it. And then over here in the presentation view, you can actually go out there and you can select what background you want. So I think that looks kind of cool with this red or orangish background. Motion path, you can go out there and pick one you want. 360 or 180 or whatever. Some of the camera effects, you can go in there and do whatever you sort of want, but it seems like what kind of always works best for me is this gamma, and then we can kind of do whatever it is we have to do with the other effects. There's all sorts of stuff you can do. All right, so I'm kind of digging that. All right, I'm liking that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to publish. Sorry, I got some things in the way here, and I'm going to go ahead and just publish this. So once this publishes, okay, here is what you are going to be able to see. Now, if we look at down here at the bottom, we can see we can go out there and do a share, and we can do something like embed. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick on the embed. And I'm going to copy all that code. Just do a quick copy, and then here's what I'm going to probably do with my students is just have them go out there and create a free web page. So you can see I've already started something on Weebly, and very simple. So I have my automata project here. I can go out here and embed that code, drag that in. Now it's just a matter of going out there and dumping in what that code was, just like so, clicking out of that, and we can see that's going to go over and go into it. All right, that's how simple it is. I mean, what a great way to go out there and create a quick portfolio. I can go out there and do a publish. Take a look at what Weebly has done for me, 100% free. Okay, there's a candy project I was looking at. You can go out there, you can orbit that, take a look at it. Okay, you can do pans and zooms. Let's see here. I think I put train out here as well. All right, what's really cool about this is the fact that you're not having to worry about any sort of add-on software. It's hosted on the cloud. Nobody really has to have any sort of tech skills to it. It's just a matter of going and picking on the button and seeing whatever the person has created. So thank you, Jonathan, for putting that out there the other day. This is a great, fantastic way to show student work. Something as simple as Google Sites or Weebly or Google Doc, whatever it is, goes right to where it is. You can interact with it, see it. Fantastic way. So there you go. Maybe something to be thinking about for your next portfolio project. And yeah, that's what I got for you for this week's TNT Tuesday. Have a great week.